Good evening, class 1. Hope everyone is good. May Allah keep you all safe. Class 1, today I will explain you topic 4, seeds. Page number 20, 21, 22, 23. Topic 4, seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Page number 20, 21, 22, and 23. What are these? These are seeds, class 1. And you know, class 1, new plant grows from seeds. New plant grows from seeds. As you can see here in this picture, planting process. What is this? Seeds. And seeds grow in the soil. And when seeds started to grow, it needs a sunlight, it needs a water, and then you will get a plant, young plant, and then you will get a big plant. You will get the flower here. Okay, and now you can see here, seeds grow in the soil. Seeds grow in the soil. Seed grows in the soil. You can see here, this is the soil, and you will put seeds in the soil. It will start it to grow. Okay, and it will come first baby plant, and then young plant, and there is a big plant. So what are these? These all are seeds. New plant grow from seeds. How the plant grow? Plant grow from seeds. New plant. How the new plant grow? New plant grow from seeds. I will read this page for you. Topic 4, seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. New plants grow from seeds. New plants grow from seeds. As you can see here in this picture, class 1, there is a seed, and then seed grows, and seed make first roots, and then seed started grow. It's called what? Seedling. Now there is a baby plant, and you will get here a new plant. Okay, and many plants have seeds. Many plants have seeds. Now there is a bean, B-E-A-N, bean. You can grow the beans at home. You can put these beans in the soil. You can get the plant. Pea also, and chickpea, it's called a seed. And there is an orange. Orange have many seeds, and you can take a orange seed and you can make a new plant with you can grow the seeds. You can grow the seeds. Many plants make a seed. Many plants make a seed, like orange fruit, it has a seed also. And you can take these seeds and you can grow a new plant. There is what? Grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. What is this? Grass. You can take the grass seeds and you can grow the grass. And there is a melon. Melon have many seeds. And wheat, you can grow the wheat. You can take the seeds. You can take the seeds and you can put this in the soil. It will start it to grow, but must give water and must care of the plant. Must do care of the plant. Okay, and there is olive. Olive, you can grow the olives at home. It's called a seed. These are olive seeds. And tomato have many seeds. You can see here, you can take the seeds. Tomato makes a seed. Melon makes a seed. Orange make a seed. You can use these seeds again. Okay, and you can make a new plant with these seeds. Here, this is activity class 1. You can take the cotton and you can put some seeds on the cotton and you give water, and every day give water and take care of this. It will start to grow. Okay, you do this activity at home and show me how the plant grow. Plant grow from seeds. Okay, you can show me when the seeds started to grow. Today what you will do, you can take a soil and take some seeds, and you can take, if you don't have a soil, you can take a cotton. You can put some seed on the cotton. You can put water and keep them in the light, and it will start it to grow. Day by day, every day check it. Okay, you can see seed will make first roots, then seed started to grow. Here you can see we can find seeds in different fruits and vegetables. You can see here some fruits and some vegetables, they have seeds. They have many seeds and you can use these seeds for a new plant. You can use these seeds for a new plant. You can take a watermelon seed, you can take a kiwi seed, you can grow this, you can take a orange seed, you can grow this, okay? And some fruits have only single seed. Some fruits have only single seed. As you can see in this picture, avocado, peach, lychee, and this one, they all have a single seed. You can use this single seed and you can grow a new plant. You can grow a new plant. You can take these seeds and you can grow a new plant. You can make a new plant. You can grow the seeds. There are many different types of seeds. You can see what are these? These all are seeds. These all are seeds. You can grow them at home also. Now class 1, seed grows in the soil. Where the seed grows? Seed grows in the soil. You can see here, seed grows in the soil. When seed grows, it's called germination. When seed grows, it's called germination. So what is the seed germination? We will read here number 1. Number 1 is seed. First you will put seed in the soil, okay? And afterwards, seed started to grow. It's called what? Seedling. It's called what? Seedling. After number 3, you will see there is a stem come outside and there is a baby plant, okay? Number 3, seed will become a baby plant, okay? And number 4, you can see here, seed will become a young plant. You can see here, young plant. And after young plant, you will get a big plant. After young plant, you will get the big plant. So it's called what? Germination. It's called what? Germination. When seed grows, it's called germination. Number 1, seed. Number 2, seedling. Number 3, baby plant. Number 4, young plant. And number 5, big plant. When you get the big plant, you will get the fruits. And many plants make seeds. Many plants make seeds. Seed, where the seed grow? Seed grows in the soil. I will ask you this. Where the seed grow? Seed grows in the soil. And when seed grows, it's called germination. Number 1, seed. Number 2, seedling. Number 3, baby plant. Number 4, young plant. And number 5, big plant. Now here, page number 22, there is a story, the orange tree story. Maria ate an orange. She dropped a seed called a pip in the soil. You can see who is this? This is a Maria, and she ate orange and she dropped a seed. She dropped the seed of orange in the soil. You can see here. She dropped a orange seed in the soil, and then after, a new orange tree started to grow, okay? So Maria cared for the plant. So you can see here, new plant need water to grow, seed water to grow, okay? So she is giving water to the plant, and now here, each year the orange tree grew bigger. You can see here, she is cared for the plant. Maria cared for the plant, and now plant grew. And this is the bigger. And after 5 years, the orange tree grew flowers, and first flowers, and the flowers changed into fruits. Flowers changed into fruits. Flowers are the part of plant, fruit is the part of plant. You can see here, and now she is eating the fruit. Okay, and you can do this at home also, class 1. You can take some seeds and you can grow the plants at home. New plant grow from seed. New plant grow from seed. Now there is check your progress. New plants grow from seeds. You will write here seeds. seeds, seeds. You must give seeds water to make them grow. If you will give them water to the seeds, it will grow. It will grow. Now, here you can see many children are here. What they are doing? Children are growing plants. See, you can see here, and you can do this at home also, and must take care of the plants. You can grow the plants at home. You can take a seed and you can grow the plant at home. New plant grow from seed. And this girl is giving water to the plant and must take care of the plants. Plants are